Hello friends, welcome to my channel Love Gardening. Today I'm going to discuss about how to take care of pothos or money plant, in particular marble queen money plant. So these plants are mostly known for their ease of caring and durability. They can be placed in bright well-lit area. They can tolerate lower light, but in medium to bright light they will grow faster, and the variegation can be more pronounced in bright light. So mostly these are called living air purifiers because they will remove any common household toxins from the air and make it healthy. So coming to the light, these can survive in low light, but they will grow faster in medium to bright indirect light. The variegation will be more pronounced in higher light. Variegation is nothing but the kind of design in, we can say, the leaf design. The different colors of leaf can be seen pronounced in higher light. They do not do well in direct sunlight because the sun will burn the foliage. Coming to watering, they like their soil to be on a drier part. So we have to water enough to keep the soil slightly damp. In summers, water well and then allow the top 50% of the soil to dry out before watering again. In winters, let the soil become drier before watering. Coming to humidity, they will do well in low humidity, but they can thrive in a bit of more humidity. We will see brown leaves tips, which indicates the air is too dry. So at that time in winters, so we can see these brown tips. At that time we need to mist our pothos plant. Coming to temperature, it prefers average to warm temperatures. This plant is very easy to maintain indoor plant. You don't need to worry about the fertilizing because feed it every 6 months with a general purpose indoor plant fertilizer. We don't use any kind of organic fertilizer in indoor plants because organic matter, if we add to the indoor plants when we grow them indoors, it will cause mold to grow, that means fungus might grow and root rot may happen. So we will use mostly chemical fertilizer. We have to trim out any dead, discolored, damaged or diseased leaves. We have to use a clean and sharp scissors to avoid any tearing or bruising of the stems. If you wish to keep your plant full and bushy, trim the longer vines every few months. Coming to the toxicity, this pothos plant is mildly toxic to pets and humans. Typically, ingestion of these leaves or part of this plant will cause mouth and stomach irritation and possible vomiting, nothing more. There are so many common issues like why the leaves turn yellow in this plant. The most common cause of yellowing leaves in this marble queen money plant or any other money plant, it is due to improper soil moisture. In particular, we can tell overwatering. We have to water the pothos only when the top 25% of the soil in the pot is dry. Soil should remain damp but not wet or soggy. In winters, you can allow a plant to dry out a little more between waterings, but be sure to boost the humidity around your plant with regular misting or a humidifier or a pebble tray. Water your pothos, make sure you provide enough water so that liquid flows from the drainage hole at the bottom of the pot. It's extremely important to discard any excess water in the saucer and not let your plant sit in standing water. Another thing is, if there is low humidity and dry soil, these will cause leaves to droop and brown. So later on it will become completely yellow, browning and leaf drop will occur. We have to mist the leaves often to increase the humidity, mostly in winters. Coming to pest attack, generally a stressed plant or weakened pothos plant is more susceptible to insect infestations such as spider mites. So this problem quickly manifests itself by yellowing the leaflets and fronds. We can see scales, mealybugs and spider mites are most frequently occurring indoor plant infestations. We have to take care of this, and we have to kill those pests as early as possible, or else they will cause so much of big problem and the plant might die. Sometimes yellowing is natural also, like the new growth is there but the older leaves are getting yellow and falling down. It's a natural process because your plant sheds its old leaves and sends energy to the new growth. Hope you got all information. Thank you. Your pan